continues to fucking blow
Appreciate you guys.
minds.
Well, that's it. This is Chainsaw Man episode 10. I'm guessing.
I really want to know what she wants. Like, she wants more power for some reason. What?
Glad I'm brushing this off like some shit, man.
This
should be the
Oh,
most.
Shot all over the
Oh, it's
place.
You alright?
Oh, no, then
That's kind of cute because last time it was the other way around.
3 days ago.
Nothing happened.
I think she ran away, didn't she?
She put you down.
I'm pretty sure she did. No, she ran away, bro.
Sorry,
Read the
Kobe.
manga or something.
That's hilarious.
Did y'all not notice he was away?
Oh, what? No,
She
bro,
just
I don't know how Aki's gonna beat this next, like, the next few
Bro,
episodes.
Aki just lost his,
Yeah,
like,
but you were
Yeah, she really did.
exactly, yeah.
Chicken.
scary feeling.
He's trying to recuperate here.
They
you
are
guys
really
serious?
just siblings and Aki's a dad. Let's keep it real.
Oh yeah, cause
No, he just lost his best friend.
This is,
they had two years.
That shrimp.
the guy with glasses. Oh, yes, of course, yeah, he quit. And then he tried asking Makima questions, and she was like, jog on, mate.
This is such a big ass loss.
So he knows.
Howie.
Yeah, right.
You know he's done.
Got it coming from you who ran away.
No!
You can see it in
They
his
just
face.
One.
No, that's not.
You should take one and leave the fucking
There's
rest.
apples, right?
There's apples.
Bro, I thought
This
this
is
was
the
I was really
stand
Then
for
he
it.
had some kind of compassion with Apple behind, but he still kind of.
No, you comforted him. This shot is
Chainsaw Man, I want some
Man,
backstory.
just
They're
lost
not
another
best
partner.
I want Aki's
It's actually better.
relationship kind of explored a little bit.
Oh man, how
He
many
did
years
use
you
the
think he
needle, so
lost?
his life is short now.
Slice of life animation
How many
times
years you were
1,000.
like
She said to cry for her. It's gonna do it, man.
Oh,
Those
shit!
nachos are
Bro,
used to.
you can just ask?
What?
Shit, that was an
Interesting.
echo. Wow! Wow, I was expecting
Does
that.
that have something to do with that scene the girl was talking about? If you use it, you'll die or something like that. He didn't, but apparently he only has 2 years to live either way. And if he uses
Like,
it,
just how many
probably
years
will.
have
Battles that he's about to get ahead of him right now, bro. That might be
Taking off during class
They
fight.
kind of make sense.
What was the devil, bro? Is
Nah,
that
nah,
Told you, bro.
Yes.
Slice of life times
Yes.
1,000. Bro, yeah,
Maybe
all
that's why
that.
he
Spark.
That was a cool
That's
transition.
when they smoked.
No wonder she was like, oh, if he uses
That's
that,
what I used to
he's
see him
gonna
at
die.
Lil Wayne started rapping.
I miss you.
Yeah,
I
that's
miss you
Signature
so
again
much.
without being,
Yo,
without
cigarette
thinking in my heart. Look,
Damn, yo, that must fucking
Let it out.
suck.
Let it out. There's emotions, man. You just gotta let it out.
Trauma was like the worst thing about that, bro.
that shit just hit him.
It just
She had to
destroys
give up.
Yeah?
big part of life for you.
Things that could tend
Any part of life.
Wanted her to cry.
Oh, she's just like, oh no, this is over.
The show is so good, bro.
Damn, that was some,
Is that a One Piece book on
like you said, that was some cool
Oh,
ass
then
imagery.
they.
Standing
Oh,
right next
man.
to her.
Like,
Look at Denji worried.
Never mind. My man just came back for his fucking manga.
Came back for the manga.
he didn't even want to go
Crazy how
back in
these
to
guys
grab
just
that
don't
shit.
feel emotions, you know? Like Power and Denji are just like, eh.
Yeah, I remember her too.
Yeah, he does digest the
Did you
fact.
just
Yeah, you're
remember that
right.
now?
Yeah, she's gone,
Yeah,
Denji.
Oh, emotions?
Oh, you're
Yeah, he
used to.
hasn't cried.
Interesting. And inside, look
Having
on
no
what
one,
his head,
though.
and he's
Yeah.
thinking.
But I'm not crying.
Is it
Yeah, man, you
just
guys
getting
experienced
rid that
something.
she's upset?
No.
Or is it because
Even though you're probably drunk and didn't remember.
half
No.
dead?
So, yeah, I'm not a bad guy.
She's not knowing the process.
He's probably like,
Oh,
I was just about to say, I don't think you know little cry fiend died.
not
the idea is
clicking.
I don't really know how. Oh, we don't really know how.
Well, he didn't really.
Denji was.
Yeah, he didn't really grow up
When
in
he
a
was
normal
younger,
setting,
definitely
so he
cried.
doesn't really know how to deal
You
with
knew how
emotions
close she was.
or how to process them properly.
I don't think so. I would hope not.
Trying to tell me
Again, our first
Maximus the
impression of
same.
the kid was that he
Like,
never
Like
been
he
up.
would be upset because he can't achieve his goal just having sex. But apart from that, yeah, you just carry on with his life.
Dang, he said he'll still be good.
He's used to loss.
Yeah, see?
And he just doesn't get very attached.
Exactly,
Or
that's all he cares about is
maybe he
maintaining
just
that life.
sees no reason
Yeah,
to
and it's
cry,
crazy how
or
he
just
doesn't care about it.
crying.
Literally anything else but that.
There it is, boy.
No,
And you
no.
think about it, it makes sense why he's like that because he's already been through the worst of the worst, you know? He's grown numb to it.
He's numb to emotion
He's
in
been
the sense
through a
he just
lot,
wants
and that
to
shit
live
affects
high
him.
on life at all times.
He just started saying his thoughts out loud after, yeah.
Oh,
He's
shit,
like,
they're already
I think also it has to do with like his upbringing.
His fortitude
He's
is
so
insane.
The blood.
Yeah, it's like he's been down so far that even like seeing people die around him, he's like, nah, I'd be down
This is
again,
new
but
squad members.
you gotta understand, I can't mud, not even mud, bro. I'm just the crust of the earth.
Interesting.
Coach.
Leave his apple alone! God damn it. Yo,
Just oblivious to anything. Just like, oh,
Man, what they know.
wow, she took
Oh, not from the hospital, because hospital food is disgusting. So I would definitely try to take my fries. Not from the hospital.
Oh man, I'm forgetting a training arc, bro.
Find more bodies.
Oh. Hey, let's go!
It's a
Yeah,
training
I
partner.
wanted to meet this guy and learn more about him. Yay! Let's go! I love him already. I just love him.
Is that
There's
Irwin?
something about his vibe.
No.
Fucking same haircut.
To the horizon, in every direction.
Yeah, there's him. He's got them jigging from Oracle.
This is Nanami's VA.
This is the guy who
He wants to analyze them and how they feel.
They're perfect, bro. They're perfect for the job.
Whoa.
The side that feeds me.
Oh, wow. Okay, perfect answers.
Honestly.
I'll give him that. They have not lied to this man once.
Is that what he's looking for?
Bro, what the fuck is that, Joe?
Wow.
I love that, bro. Because we got kind of like a build up of what this guy expects. in the
They're
previous
not gonna
episode.
do any dumb shit and get themselves killed
This guy,
instead of
bro.
some like
He
crazy
knows-
revenge.
He knows what it takes.
Like,
She was scared. Yeah, I never heard her say
Oh my
that.
gosh,
bad is
I
that
feel
power?
This is
right now.
some crazy ass
Bro, we
training.
are getting a training arc.
Just like that,
And it's
when
about
Akuma
Manga.
leaves the moment.
This was drunk.
That's Division
bunch of
1.
like double contracts.
Alright, Division 1. We don't know if
Here's
it's
my lover.
How could you refuse that face? That insane
Nice to meet you.
looking face.
Motherfucker.
What the fuck?
Whoa! Okay!
He's training
Yoked them up.
He's actually
How is
killing
he
us.
lifting two people
Yo,
right
he's
now?
making
And then
them
we'll come
great.
back to
This
life.
guy's insanely strong. Is he trying to see how fast he is?
This guy's serious, man.
Only
This is
chains
the
him
start of
out.
the training.
Oh no, they're good. They're good, they're good. He just broke.
That was
Strength their
so
spines.
aggressive.
You snapped their neck?
Same weaknesses.
Oh,
They broke that neck.
He's gonna
Sets you apart.
Deal with blood.
Oh, they can
What is going on?
Yeah.
Sound effect.
He's showing them this. I don't even think they knew that about themselves.
Just like that.
Oh my god, someone is so gonna get it.
I'm trying to imagine what it would taste like. I know blood is like
He's gonna
irony.
keep killing them over and over again until they can like fight
Like
back.
it has iron. Not it's irony like. But I'm just trying to picture in my mind what it must take to gulp down blood.
I gotta get you really down.
Obviously their taste buds are different, but
Oh my god, they're gonna go for training with this guy. This is dope. They're gonna level up.
It's like a split personality.
Are you still drunk?
He's about to create a new breed here, Johnny.
I'm the strongest devil hunter.
Oh, he's him.
Okay.
I don't know if he's captain
That's
or
some
if he's for
silver
real,
shit, but okay.
That's cool, bro. That's cool.
If he for real is strong, then
That's
we'll do the same.
That's it.
That's a little
He's gonna hunt them.
I'm not counting
His
his
brain is diseased.
Just keep bringing them to
Then they pass.
He about to fuck y'all up again.
And that's the. And he showed them that he can heal himself. He
Oh, sick! Wow! The weapon that's not gonna
Wow. Are they this?
Yo,
how many
Gonna run again.
bro, that is the best devil hunter in the world. Bigger than this match.
Mostly immortal. She's really dying.
Human body, right? Like it's not.
Wait, are they actually immortal?
Oh, cool knife.
Yeah, bro.
I just
You
realized
can't
that.
find a lot of blood. Little smash
That's some sadistic shit right there.
Yeah, buddy, let's go.
He's gonna turn them into fucking.
Yo, yeah, I think Genji's actually dead, bro.
Until they can beat this guy.
Yeah, this is fucked up.
Is he like some language?
Wait, what? Why did Con leave him?
Oh no, that's the fucking devil. Yeah.
Oh, because last episode, 2 episodes ago, it was like,
Damn.
Because that
She
one
got fucked up.
sword guy,
what did it do?
The Fox Devil's not coming. They're saying that it's mad at him.
and then you die.
Maybe once, maybe twice.
So basically, they just keep it real with you and they tell you what you can and can't do.
They're here to train the humans.
Nah, bro, I got 2 years
They're not
left. I got
training
to
that
kill
girl.
a gun devil.
Yo, they said go home and have a slice of life.
leave. You got nobody else in your life.
I already been making sacrifices.
What?
Hang
He's
it up.
already made sacrifices.
Oh, shit, no way.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
All
See
get
him get
stronger
in the
devil.
devil, Johnny.
Give him the option. Basically, you need to make stronger contracts.
Hey, that's some BS. That means my hoodie's pointless.
Corey's just gonna go with it,
I'm gonna
man.
need a new hoodie
This
for
dude's
season
got
2.
2 years
He's
left to
still not
live. That's so
revenge
trash.
Thank you.
It's true.
So this really
Wait in them.
this really is some training shit now.
Yeah, that contract
I
sucks.
get it. Like, why go
So
back?
those two are gonna
Living
help
your
everyone,
everyday life?
all the
Like, what would be the
humans.
point?
Devil is he gonna
Really,
get?
what
That's
if
If
they
there
use
is any
that?
humans left.
I mean, we know the girl's still there. The one that did that crazy shit last episode.
I mean, yeah, that's pretty much what the fucking disrespect.
Yo, this is even something for Aki. Like, Aki hasn't even trained with these people
I'm gonna
yet.
teach him to
So
animate
Aki
this
can
fucking
even learn
show.
from them.
Makima?
Makima?
Wolf?
Takes them 30 minutes just for
Makima.
pins.
Right?
No, they would have said that too.
Is that
No,
Kobe?
That's some Cabani looking shoes, but
Makima go
Who's
for
this?
it. I don't know
Nah,
who
it's
this
just
is.
a random shawty. But what's her relation?
It's not
kidding,
like
I'm
a
kidding.
mum.
Isn't that girl, the shy girl that
The
went
girl's
off?
Can't
mom.
handle emotions right
The
now.
girl that died's mom.
I don't mean his mum, by the way.
actually
Pretty
family.
sure.
Is that someone he's related to?
Because they got the
Wait,
same
who-
kind of
who
hair,
is it?
right?
He is shocked.
Who's
He's in
that?
shock.
Long
Is that-
black hair. He even had long black hair at one point.
Auntie?
One thing that stands out is that
You say her.
he asked them, are they doing it for
Why
revenge?
did you kill them?
Traumatized.
Because I feel like
These kids, in a way, are just so
Ultra power and then you're gonna be
Right
trying
before
to
I
get
disappeared.
Maybe you're right. Maybe it is.
and
gonna realize that.
60 freaking devils/fiends.
His mom. Did they all die?
Yeah, this is about to freak out.
What the fuck?
What?
Sounds like the chainsaw.
Oh, man, he should have think to the head.
What?
Oh, I gotta beat his head in.
That's not helping, Power.
We're damaging him.
Streams of me to heal. Watch it breaks my
Yo,
nose.
he literally couldn't.
Oh my god,
What
was that?
These niggas in the cemetery.
He's
Did he go insane for a
Just
second?
now, and it just regenerated.
Damn, this boy literally kept on training.
It was more than
crazy.
Remember, I was like, yo, I think he's gone. Like,
they can't even fight
literally bring him back to dead.
Killed them more than 20 times.
So they've died before?
It's making him have any more fun. He's fucking working too hard.
Bro, he's gonna find you.
And they can kill you.
You might as well take the training while you can, because then
You weren't thinking about this shit through when you
you'll be able to hold your own.
Hey man, it's either they join with them or they get hunted.
yo, they have to walk all the way home.
And he would always bring his There's the music.
Get stronger and kill him.
Takeaways alcohol. Or we
between the two of y'all.
I've been wanting to do that lately. My man literally said
They know it, man. They know they were
This might actually force him to actually try.
I mean, I can trust
As long as now, this is the beginning.
This is the beginning of him actually trying.
I could have been more time.
Gas up music. Up.
This guy's forcing him to try because if he doesn't, he won't be able to live a good life.
Okay, power.
Oh my god, they put on glasses. He's gonna use those glasses and smash it off the
Hold on.
They're about to fail horribly.
Power's fine.
Oh, preemptive attack. Good. Good. Oh, shit.
That's the fucking master plan.
Oh, wait. He's dodged that. He knew that.
Oh, that's so sick.
Nasty.
This dude is ridiculous.
Spike it now.
What if she just actually killed him? Oh, I have no shit.
I guess the idea is perhaps
They got no blood on the edge.
I spike. She's using it for weapons.
That is so clean, bro. There's your move, bro. 101.
You mad slow.
Smack the glasses right up his face. That's symbolic.
He said, Benji, are you smart?
That's fucking embarrassing.
That was some Home Alone trap shit, bro.
This man said, you're drunk, bro.
They need to do better than that, bro.
And he learned more about
He used her head though. He admitted it.
That's embarrassing.
At least he didn't tell them this time.
She used too much of her blood.
She used too much blood in the fight.
For him?
To remember for the future.
Bro, he hit you with the Chuck Norris,
I
bro.
think he's
That
actually
was
teaching them.
nasty.
Tell me what they did wrong.
The
that's all.
roadhouse kick.
I can learn
That's
from
it for today.
That's it.
That they really
That was a good training session.
Hey, Mitch.
They did good for today. That's why they got off. But
He died over 20 times.
Oh, you believe it? Yep. You believe me?
people off that easy.
Stupid.
You lied?
Shit that we saw, bro. We're actually seeing these fucking kids.
We're not done for the day.
Run it back. You shouldn't trust what on her side.
Oh, that is good.
That was a lesson right there, bro.
God, this is
It's not training if you don't die. You need to find
The fact that he said, I'm gonna train you.
You remember when they were talking
Look, he's
about
gonna
Live
get a
Down?
new double, Johnny.
What's he gonna have to give up this
Wait,
time?
so you're asking
So basically, you're gonna get a strong
double
ass
containment
power,
chamber? They just
Oh, they're trying to get, bro, we're trying to help you get a better contract,
What
man.
kind of devil
They're
is
going to
here?
hell right
Like,
now.
look where they're
but you
going.
gotta get, because obviously the needle,
Nah, they're pretty much like, bro, you
Yeah,
trying to get
how
a
many
better
layers
job.
you just done
the
using
curse step
Alright,
out.
we're gonna go
it's
just
just
trying to help out.
They have
I don't know,
Like,
Do they actually have doubles down here? Like, in a fucking jail?
I don't think you
Oh,
can use
shit.
We're 10-17 right now, okay?
he's in a nasty 360.
What
Give it
Session.
What kind of fucking double are they gonna get this guy?
yeah, but
Each of these doors.
I know, I'm not saying that he's gonna, like, he...
Oh, here we go.
yeah, I'm just going through it like Is that what they were saying with like the 2 years?
His mom and his dad, his brother died.
From a power scaling perspective, is he
Cousin
now
or sister that wasn't at the house.
Demon Dungeon?
That's what I'm saying.
See who that was.
Yeah.
Oh, that was his sister.
Wow.
She's trying to send you.
Well, I think
I
they're
know she's
talking
related at least.
the way they were
Her
talking.
family members.
His partner's younger sister, he
It
says.
was
Okay, now I'm
her
thinking
sister.
sister.
Yes.
Yo, Tomato like a twin. This shawty looks
I was
like
thinking
A letter from her.
Are these a bunch of letters that she wrote him?
Bro, are they all like love letters to Aki? Or about Aki?
And what was this? A letter sent before her death? What was sent in case she dies?
See, shit like this, in my opinion, does not help someone struggling or going through grief. It makes you more depressed.
Oh, okay. I see.
Can't read it.
Told you. See? Feeling any better?
Is dad feeling
Dad
any
feeling
better?
I can read that.
Job
See?
pays
The
pretty
job
well,
pays
so
pretty
it's
well.
up
So,
for it.
see?
Something about her dad.
Why does he need to read that?
He to quit. I brought it up.
Damn, Boris.
These are letters that she sent to her sister.
Yeah, updating her.
Yeah.
Okay, here, he's found a thing he was going
I
after.
don't think it's a good idea.
Damn, he's not seeing.
How do I get Aki to quit?
Not seeing what she
There's
felt.
gonna be the I love him somewhere in there.
Oh, she could have possibly been alive.
She's actually crazy, bro. She wanted to quit with him and like get out of this because it was too dangerous. And this, she really lost her life now.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no,
feel so
they
bad
did
for
they
Aki,
did
yo.
This is about to be the craziest shit, bro.
Oh, so what?
What? About to have Katakuri.
Two people have contracts already with it. What the?
Give her eyes and shit.
What? This, hold on. Aki is not the motherfucker cannot afford this.
Hey man, like he said, hopefully they'll get a
That would be
bargain.
like, amen.
Yeah, that's
Free of charge.
This is crazy.
He doesn't have much life left.
I like that one. I like that one.
This man's really like a whole
I'll give up my
type
7
shit.
days only if I'm in this lifestyle.
I love how humans can make contracts with devils. It's like an interesting
No,
concept.
why would
They
it
always gotta give something up. This shit.
future level? I'm assuming
man.
you'll be able to predict moves or something like that.
Depending on how strong the devil is how fucking big the contract
Doors
is.
close pretty effing slow for
yeah.
containing demons.
What the fuck is that eyeball then?
Does that make sense?
Is it just a floating eyeball or is it hiding behind the shadows?
Still hear bass in the background.
Because it could go either way.
Fucking eyeball.
Say something.